For countries, humans have wondered, are we alone in the universe? With countless stars, planets, and galaxies, could be life out there watching us? Today, we're exploring the question that has fascinated us for generations. Do aliens really exist? The universe is incredibly vast, beyond what we can easily comprehend. Our galaxies, the Milky Way, alone contains over 100 billion stars. Each of these stars could potentially have planets orbiting them, some of which may be in the habitable zone, where conditions could allow life to exist. Beyond our galaxy, the observable universe is even more staggering. There are estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each with billion or even trillion of stars. This means the number of planets in the universe could be virtually infinite, making the possibility of alien life much more convincing. When you consider the sheer scale, yet despite the vastness, we have yet to find definitive proof of life beyond Earth, which make the search of extraterrestrial life both fascinating and mysterious. With so many possibilities, how could we be the only intelligent life? In recent years, even more government agencies have begun acknowledging that certain phenomena remain unexplained, sparking renewed interest in the possibility of extraterrestrial life. One of the most significant developments came in 2021 when the U.S. Department of the Defense declassified a series of video showing unidentified flying object UFO, or what they now call unidentified aerial phenomena UAPC. This video captured by military pilot depict object moving in a way that defy the known laws of physics, accelerating rapidly, changing the direction suddenly, and hovering without visible propulsion. In a subsequent report released by the Pentagon, it was stated that out of 144 sightings analyzed, only one could be explained as a deflating balloon. The rest remained unexplained, while the report did not confirm the existence of the extraterrestrial life. It did acknowledge that these phenomena could not be easily identified as known aircraft, drones, or natural occurrences. The admission marked as a shift in how government view such phenomena. For decades, UFO sightings were dismissed or ridiculous, but now with credible military evidence and scientific inquiry, the door has been opened to the possibility that some of these sightings could involve technology beyond that we understand, perhaps even aliens' organ. These explained phenomena continue to intrigue science and the public alike, leaving many wondering if we are closer than ever to uncovering evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. One of the most famous mysterious single space is the WOW signal, detected on August 15, 1977 by astronaut Jerry R. Eman, while working on the CAT Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence project at Ohio State University. The signal lasted 72 seconds and appeared to come from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. It had a frequency of 1420 MHz, which is significant because this frequency corresponds to hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. Despite extensive follow-up observation, the signal was never detected again, led to many speculate that it could have been a message from an extraterrestrial civilization. In addition to the WOW signal, there have been other intriguing signals and phenomena, such as pulsar, initially thought to be signal from extraterrestrial life. Pulsar are rapidly rotating neutron stars that emit beacon of the radiation. Their regular pulsing can resemble a signal, but they are now understood to be natural astrophysical phenomena. FRBC fast radio bursts discovered in 2002. These brief bursts of radio waves last only milliseconds and can release as much energy as the sun emits in an entire day. The origin of FRBC is still unknown, with various theories ranging from neutron stars collision to alien technology. The LGM-1 signal in 1967, astronaut Jacqueline Bell Burnell discovered a regular pulsing radio signal from the direction of the pulsar, which was humorously named Little Green Man. LGM-1 before its true nature was understood. These unexplained signals have led to speculation that they could be evidence of advanced alien civilizations attempting to communicate. The idea that extraterrestrial life might be using specific frequencies or patterns to signal their existence is a tantalizing prospect. However, it is essential to approach these possibilities with caution, as many of these phenomena can have natural explanation. The excitement surrounding such a signal illustrates humanity's deep desire to connect with other intelligent beings in the universe, raising questions about our place in the cosmos and whether we are truly alone. Life on Earth exhibits remarkable adaptability, thriving in some of the most extreme environment imaginable. This resilience raises intriguing questions about the potential for life beyond our planet. Here are a few examples of how life exists in extreme conditions. Deep ocean. The deep ocean, particularly areas like hydrothermal vents, hosts unique ecosystems that flourish in complete darkness and high pressure. These vents release mineral-rich water heated by volcano activity, providing energy and nutrients for a variety of organisms. Chemosynthesis. Unlike most life forms that rely on sunlight for energy through photosynthesis, organisms such as tapeworm, clam, and certain bacteria utilize chemosynthesis-driven energy from chemical reaction involving hydrogen sulfide emit from vents. These ecosystems demonstrate that life can exist independently of the sunlight and extreme temperature, challenge our traditional understanding of habitable environment. volcano environment is characterized by high temperature, and toxic gases also support life. Microorganisms known as extremophiles thrive in these conditions, including thermophiles. These heat-loving bacteria can thrive in temperature exceeding 100 Celsius, 212 Fahrenheit. Some of these organisms have adopted unique mechanisms that allow biochemical processes that occur at such high temperatures, making them unavailable in biotechnology. Acidophile, found in acidic volcano lake or hot spring. These organisms can witness extreme acidity. They play a crucial role in nutrients cycling and can even be used for bioremediation in polluted environment. Icy thunders. In contrast to the heat of the volcano, the icy thunder are characterized by the low temperature and the limited sunlight. However, life persists in these frigid conditions through various adaptations. Psychrophile. These cold-loving microbes can thrive at temperature below 0 Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit. They possess unique cellular structure and metabolic pathway that allow them to function in extreme cold, making them a focus of research in climate change and astrobiology. Adaptation of animals. Larger animals like polar bears, Arctic fox have thick fur and fat layer to insulate against the cold, while some birds can migrate long distance to escape harsh winter. Planets like mosses, lichens have adapted grow in the short summer month, playing a vital role in tundra ecosystem. The existence of life in such extreme environment on Earth suggests that life could potentially thrive elsewhere in the universe, even in seemingly inhospitable conditions. Discoveries of extremophiles and their unique adaptation challenge our understanding of the limit of life, encouraging scientists to explore the possibility of extraterrestrial organisms existing in extreme environment on other planets or moons, such as icy surfaces of Europa or volcano landscape of Mars. The Fermi paradox, thought-provoking question that arises from the apparent contradiction between the vastness of the universe and the lack of evidence. Extraterrestrial psychophysicist Enrico Fermi, the paradox highlights the following point. The vastness of the universe. The universe is incredibly large, containing billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, and potentially even more planets, with such as probability of planets that could support life. Many scientists believe it is statistically likely that intelligent life exists elsewhere. Age of the universe. The universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old, providing ample time for civilization to emerge, evolve, and potentially develop advanced technologies. Given this time frame, it raises the question: if intelligent life is common, where is everyone? Lack of evidence. Despite decades of searching through programs like CATI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, and the study of the exoplanets, we have not found any conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial life or signal indicating their existence. The absence of the evidence creates a paradox. If the conditions for life are prevalent, have not we detect any sign of it? Possible explanation for Fermi paradox. Several theories attempt to address the Fermi paradox, including rare earth hypothesis. This theory posits that while microbial life may be common, complex life frames such as intelligent civilization are exceedingly rare due to unique combination of factors that allow them to develop, such as the right planetary conditions, geological stability, and favorable environment. Technology limitation. Our current technology may be insufficient to detect extraterrestrial signal or civilization. Additionally, civilization may communicate in what we do not yet understood, or may not us electromagnetic signal at all. Self-destruction. Advanced civilization may tend to self-destruct before they can explore the universe or establish contact with others. Factors such as war, environmental destruction, or technological disaster could lead to their extinction. Isolate or non-interference. Other intelligent civilization may choose not to contact us or may be avoiding interference with the developing societies, similar to the Prime Directive in Star Trek. Alternatively, they may be using advanced technology to remain undetected. Transcend future civilization. Civilization may only exist for a short period on cosmic scale. As technology societies rise and fall, the window for contact may be fleeting. The Fermi paradox invites us to consider not only existence of extraterrestrial life but also our understanding of life itself and the potential limitation of our exploration. As we continue to investigate the universe, the answer to this paradox may shape our future understanding of life beyond Earth. Several upcoming species, missions, and projects are posed to enhance our understanding of life, of the universe, and search for extraterrestrial life. Two significant initiatives are the James Webb Space Telescope (JWST) and the CATI Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence program. Here how they contribute to the quest for alien life. James Webb Space Telescope (JWST) launch and purpose. Launched on December 25, 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope is designed to be the premier observatory for the next decade. It aims to study the wide range of astronomical phenomena, from the formation of stars and the planet to the early universe history. Capabilities. Infrared observation. JWST operators primarily in the infrared spectrum, allowing to penetrate dust clouds that obscure visible light and observe cooler objects in space, such as distant galaxies, stars in the formation, and exoplanet. Characterizing exoplanet. One of the JWST key goal is to study exoplanet atmosphere for chemical signature. that might indicate the presence of life by analyzing the light from stars as it passes through an exoplanet atmosphere. GWST can identify molecules such as water, carbon dioxide, and methane, which are potential biosignatures. Studying habitably GWST will focus on exoplanet located in habitable zone of their stars, where conditions may be suitable for life. By observing these planet atmosphere and surface characteristics, scientists hope that to gain insight into their potential support life. SATI search for extraterrestrial intelligence. SATI is an ongoing scientific effort to detect signs of the intelligent extraterrestrial civilians through various means, including radio signal and other forms of communication. Current and upcoming project: Radio Telescope ARES. SATI employs network of radio telescopes such as the Aliens Telescope ARES, ATA, and the Green Bank Telescope to scan the skies for unusual signals that might indicate intelligence origins. These telescopes. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Will we discover the truth in our lifetime? Only time will tell.